Guys, I was just in my room doing some editing. My window is open up there, and look what's just came in. Hello? Are you friendly? I think you're friendly. This isn't your house, mate. What on earth do I do? There's a cat in my room. Hello? Oh, he's going for my shoe. Is that nice? Hello, fella. What on earth do I do? Is it safe to stroke stray cats? Oh, he's so cute. Hello. Oh my god, hello, hello. Oh, you are adorable. Guys, I think I have a new pet. I think he wants scratches. Do you want to get fussed? Huh? You want attention? Is that what you want? Have you got a collar? What's your collar say? Come on, boy.